woke up at 6:30 to come and watch sunrise. Jess is full of beans. She's really peppy. I am not. Thanks for dragging me out of bed this morning, Jess. Pretty nice way of starting the day, I reckon.
Need to do it more.
We've missed the boat now that sunrise is getting earlier though.
Yeah, but then the clocks are going to go forward, so we'll get...
Oh, nice. Always 10 steps ahead. Very boring day ahead. Very boring day. So, in my wedding films, you'll often notice that I use a drone. Now, to be able to do that, I have to have a license. So to get that license, 3 years ago, I had to do a 2-day drone course and sit an exam and do a practical flight assessment thing. As of January the 1st this year, the rules have changed, and that license, once it expires at the end of this month, is no longer valid. Instead, I've got to get a new license, which in the long run is going to be more cost effective because it lasts 3 years instead of having to renew it every year. But the downside is I've now got to sit through another drone course and sit another exam, and that is all happening today. We're on our lunch break now. I really feel for anyone who is an office worker that's using Zoom at the moment. Obviously I've not really had that experience, but today I'm getting the full force of it. We've got people with connection issues, people with microphone issues, people forgetting that they're on mute, or people forgetting that they're not on mute and chatting to the partner. It really feels like this is where productivity goes to die. Passed my exam.
I fell asleep.
You fell asleep. I was expecting a big celebration party. What's going on?